Hi. I decided to make a video showing some of the fireworks that we got, because why not? And look at this. Yeah. We spent $194 on these. This is $194 worth of fireworks here. Let me show some of the cool ones. So we got these things called Patriot Sticks, which I guess are pretty much, I guess they're just like huge sparklers. And I guess they're just like huge red, white, and blue sparklers, so that's pretty cool. We also got these huge crackle balls. Yeah. I don't know. It's like a grenade, but fun. That's how I would describe these. That's how I would describe these crackle balls. Like a grenade, but fun. And not used in war. We also got some regular ones. And we have huge smoke balls too. They only let off a cloud of smoke the size of Afghanistan. No big deal. We also got this. I'm gonna be careful with this because I don't want to break it or something. Of Pharaoh's Treasure. This was like $12, I think. Yeah. I know the writing is backwards because of the camera, but it's $12.50. I think these were pretty expensive too. Yeah, $13.99 for a pack of 3 of these. It's $14. We also got this Angel's Kiss sparkler. This was also $12.50. The packaging looks really cool. We got this Desert Smoke one for $2.50. Wow, it's actually pretty cheap. Den of Snakes, that's what it is. The fuse is covering the writing, so I couldn't really read it. Oh yeah, we got 2 packs of the huge crackle balls, I forgot. A snowflake fountain here. I'll show one thing and then I'll have to cut the video because I was about to run out of space. Violet and butterflies, I think. Yeah, violet and butterflies. Okay, I have to cut the video.